everyone, welcome to a Business Creators channel. I'm glad you're here and you made it to the great room. This channel was just created by me. I want this to be a channel for like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, business owners, future business owners, and content creators. A place where we can network and share our business ideas, brainstorm together, share our product reviews. This is my impromptu video, so I don't really have an intro or an outro, and I don't really have a script. I'm just gonna talk from the top of my head, really. Well, not necessarily. I do have 3 items that I wanted to show you. On my last video, I wanted to go more in depth about the equipment that I'm using. It's very simple. It's a starter kit. So here I am, and I'm going to show you 3 items that I purchased with a very low budget. I just felt like it was important for me to have at least the basics, these 3 items, including my phone. My cell phone is an iPhone 13, and so far I'm happy with the quality. So let me first start with item number 1. It's a ring light, and it's a USB, so it plugs into a USB port, and I'll show you that now actually. So it plugs, that's the only way it works, is if it's plugged into the USB port. You can use your laptop, or you can get an adapter for your plug at home and plug it in that way. So it's only about 8 inches around, and you put your phone here in the middle. It's very convenient. It's small, so it's just one height, and you could set it on your counter if you're doing product reviews or if you're making a cooking video. So that's what I got it for, is to sit on my counter. It's short and it's very bright. It's only 3 pieces that you put together. You can twist the part in here, the arm where you put your phone. It's very mobile, and then there's the base here that you connect, and then this part here. So actually it's 2 pieces, but 3 parts, if that makes sense. So I like that. It's very convenient because it's small. I also have, the second item is my microphone here. It is a Power Device. It comes in a little bag. I got it at Walmart.com, and it was for $29.99. And this is what it looks like here. It clips on, and I think it sounds pretty good so far. I can't really tell the difference because my camera microphone is really good, so I can't really tell the difference. So it comes with this adapter here. So it does come with an adapter. It also comes with extra long adapter or cord as well. So the cord that I have it on now is about 24 inches, and so they give you enough cord for distance. So this is a Power Device microphone, and it's the Lav. The model is a Lav brand, or Lav. The third item that I'm using, there are softbox lights. I selected these over the LED lights because I did some research on YouTube and it felt like they would feel more professional, and so far I really like the softbox lights. They're very versatile, compact, and high quality. They were $49.99, and it was 1 pair. I'm going to read to you the name of the brand. So if you go to Walmart.com and search Studio Lighting, the brand is Katson, K-T-A-X-O-N, 2-piece lighting, softbox, photography, photo, equipment, bulbs, and studio light kit. So it comes with 2 soft boxes, 2 light bulbs, and 2 stands. And I'm going to show you, and it comes in a bag. It's a square bag like this, and the bag says Shui. It's a square bag, and I'm actually going to set it up for you right now so you can see how easy it is to put together. So also, before I start, it's 31 inches high. Settings are really nice, so it can go as low as 31 inches and as high as 7 feet. The light bulb is a 135 watt fluorescent spiral bulb, and it comes with the set. So here it is. I'm going to set it up for you. It's very easy to put together, and I like it very much so far. Here's the stand. It slides very easily. Sorry, I couldn't figure it out there for a second. It's very lightweight, but it's sturdy. And then here's the umbrella. It's just like a regular umbrella, and it has silver on the inside. And you have an umbrella and you have to pop it here for it to stay open. That's what you do with this. You just pop it open, and then like that right here. And then you just twist the light bulb in, and then you pop it on sideways like this into the bar that's there, and you just tighten it a little like so. And then now I'm going to put on the last piece, which is the cover, and it goes on like this. Let me move this back a little. There we go. Here's the cover. It's so nice. Basically there is Velcro here, so put the Velcro on and it just goes over the corners with Velcro on the left, on the bottom, on the right, and then you put this other corner here like so. And right now this is sitting at 31 inches. So if you're doing a floor presentation, for example, here's the ring light. It's really short. So I'm gonna move the camera back so you can see how low it is. I don't know if you could see it there, but I'm going to also show you how easily it goes up. So I'm gonna move the camera up for you. This is how easy it extends. You literally just pull it up. There you go. So there it is, and I can actually also show you the light I'm using now. So one moment. I was really trying to get you a really bird's eye view of the softbox lighting. It's hard to do without having someone else film it for me, but I totally and fully recommend these. They look very professional, and you can just move it. You can literally just move it around like this. It's just very versatile. It's easy to put together. On camera, I made it look a little bit more difficult, but it's so easy. It just twists it on and off. Hold on. There, now it's done. Easy to put together. Like this just slides open and shut. I'd say the whole thing weighs probably maybe 5 pounds. I like it so much. I totally, fully recommend this. It just comes apart so easily. I'd recommend it. I really do. I didn't want to spend $49.99 because just like anyone else starting a channel, you don't know how fast it's going to grow. But I think it was worth it for now. Maybe it'll come in handy when I'm doing product reviews or whatever else I need it for to do these videos. There's not a lot of shadow behind me, and I did make this harder than it was. It's not that hard. It just pops like an umbrella, and then it folds. This is literally 12 inches. It's very light. Like I said, I could have got the LED lights. This is the bulb. I could have got the LED lights for, there's a pair, and they look pretty, they don't look cheap, but they're inexpensive. They're like $29.99. This is $49.99. I just like the idea of having studio lights, and I'm glad I got them. But anyway, it came very well packaged and very happy with it, as you can tell. So this is my second impromptu video. If you haven't seen my first one, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, that first video is kind of funny. And this is my second impromptu. Also, please stay tuned if you are interested in interviewing advice. I want to help people understand the importance of being good at interviewing, and also just the communication skills behind it are very helpful for me to practice on. So I haven't interviewed in a while, but I know I've interviewed a lot in the past. Also, I want to talk about working remotely, the pros and cons of working remotely. If you subscribe, we'll grow together and we'll network and talk more about all of the channel details. This was just a quick video to show you the box light. It was a little bit of a mess, but I am not redoing this. It's impromptu and it's not supposed to be perfect, so I'm not redoing it. So hopefully my son, who's going to edit this video, will make it look good. So they're better at, the younger generation's better at editing. So, well, everyone can be good at editing. I'm just saying that hopefully it cuts out the bad parts. Anyway, thank you for stopping by, and I will talk to you soon.